Hi and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you the switch function in Excel. So I prepared 3 examples here and let's start with example 1. So I have a table reference here for the product and price and a data validation for a specific product. So you can choose either apple or orange or mango here. And we're going to look for the retail price using the switch. I'm going to write the switch function. And the expression, it requires expression. We're going to use the product here, whatever is the product in the drop-down list, comma, value 1 will be, I'm going to refer it into the table, but you can also write it. So value 1, if it's apple, comma, then return the price. The same thing with comma, orange, comma, this is the price, comma, this mango, comma, then this is the price. And that's it. All of the data in the table are now being incorporated in the switch. Close it, enter, and you have it. Now, if you change the product, the retail price will be automatically updated. And that's it. Let's go with example number 2. In here, we're just gonna write a remark of either a weekday or a weekend. So I have here a specific day, which is a date formatted into a day. So we're gonna write either weekday or weekend using the switch. So I'm writing the switch, and the expression now is I'm gonna put this date here into a weekday to get the serial number. So I'm gonna refer it here on the day and close it. Now I'm gonna check it using F9. Now Monday is equal to 2, Sunday is 1, Saturday is 7, so that's it. There is a serial number here of 1 to 7, comma, value 1, if this is equal to 1, which is a Sunday, comma, then the result will be a weekend, comma, if it's 7 or a Saturday, this is also a weekend, and if there's no match, if it is not 1 or 7, then return a value which is weekday. Close it and then enter, and that's it. Copy and paste it, and the remarks will be automatically updated as well. Now let's go to the third example here using a switch function together with the VLOOKUP, which is a common practice. In a VLOOKUP, you can write the formula, single formula using one table reference, but in here, when you use the switch, you can use one or more table. In this example, we will incorporate 3 tables here, simple tables here. So I'm going to write first the switch function. The expression will be the tier, so this part, comma, the value 1, if this tier 1 here, I'm gonna lock it F4, comma, then the result will be anything in this range. F4 again, comma, this tier 2, the same thing, anything in this range, F4, and if this tier 3, F4, comma, then anything in this table, F4. Close it. Now this is the table array in a VLOOKUP, so I'm gonna shoot it in a VLOOKUP. I'm writing the VLOOKUP here, and then the lookup value for the VLOOKUP is now the rating. So we're incorporating the rating here, comma. This is the table array, the whole switch, and comma, column index will be 2 because we're looking for the rebate which is included in column 2 in every table here. So I'm writing the 2, comma, we want false or exact match, leave it blank, close it, enter, and copy and paste it, and that's it. So you can see if this player 9 here in tier 3, the rebates will be 5. This one is 1% in this table. And that's it. I'm finished here. I'm done. If you're liking my videos, you can subscribe in my channel, and see you next time, and thanks.